In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind the iPad disabled cannot connect iTunes issue, and provide 4 troubleshooting tips to help you unlock your disabled iPad without trouble. How to fix iPad is disabled connect to iTunes via iOS Unlock most reliable. We would like to introduce a state-of-the-art product, iOS Unlock, which allows Apple operators to legally unlock all types of iPad locks with minimum effort. How to fix disabled iPad without connecting to iTunes via iCloud. It is also a good idea to explore alternative ways to safely erase your iPad and thus get it bypassed. While iOS Unlock is a popular third-party tool for iPad Unlock, if you prefer an official option, you can try iCloud remotely. How to connect disabled iPad to iTunes by restoring it via iTunes. Before attempting to recover your iPad using iTunes, it's important to ensure that you have previously synced your iPad with iTunes. Plus, you may lose your personal files after that if you don't run a backup of your device. How to fix iPad is disabled connect to iTunes via recovery mode. Apple officially provides solutions for connecting an iPad to iTunes and fixing it through recovery mode. This can be helpful for users who are facing issues with their iPads and haven't synced them with the tool.